Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. Today I am going to show you how to DM on Instagram without following someone. Yes, you heard that right. No need to follow them, let's dive right in. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to open up the Instagram app on your phone. Okay, so now you can select any account by simply searching it or tapping on their profile picture from the feed or stories. Once you are on their profile, click message from here. Remember, you don't need to follow them to send a message. Now, you can type your message in the text box at the bottom. When you are done, hit send and your message will be sent to the user. Keep in mind that if they don't follow you back, your message will appear in their message request folder. If the person has not seen your message, it might be sitting in their message request folder. So, if you are not getting a response, that might be why. And that's it. Now you know how to DM someone on Instagram without following them. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any other Instagram tips or tricks you would like to learn about. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.